In this session, let's learn about large pool. As a DBA, sometimes we are required to configure an optional memory area called large pool. This is not mandatory. Okay, this is a optional memory area. This large pool is used for operations where a lot of memory is required. If you don't allocate large pool, then these operations will use the shared pool, resulting in lack of memory for the other important operations. Okay, what are those operations? The operations like session memory for the shared server and the Oracle XA interface. This Oracle XA interface is used if the transactions have to interact with multiple databases. Another one, if there are a lot of input output server processes on your database server, then it's better to allocate them large pool. And also another significant one is Oracle database backup and restore operations. These require lot of memory. That is why it is better to allocate large pool for them instead of them using your shared pool, right? And another one is your parallel query operations, and the final one, advanced queuing. Like this, whenever you encounter these five types of requirement, it is better to allocate large pool. Okay, remember these 5 points, and whenever you feel the need, make sure as a DBA to allocate the large pool. Okay, and also the size of the large pool can be defined by the initialization parameter large underscore pool underscore size. Okay.